How to fix Botim connecting problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're having problem with Botim staying on connecting, I have got some quick fixes for you to help you out. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. The most common cause for connection issues is an unstable internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference. Next, clear Botim cache. If you are using Botim on your phone, clearing the apps cache can help. Here's how. Go to settings on your device, select apps or apps manager, then find Botim. Tap storage and choose clear cache. This won't delete any data but can help reset the app. Next, update or reinstall Botim. Sometimes an outdated version of the app can cause issues. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Botim to ensure a fresh installation. Next, disable VPN or proxy. Using a VPN or proxy can sometimes interfere with Botim's connection. If you have a VPN enabled, try turning it off and reconnecting to Botim. Next, restart your device. A simple restart can resolve many app issues. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and try opening Botim again. And there you go. One of these steps should help Botim connect properly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.